In front of me is OPPO K10x, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Start by opening Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. When you're ready, click on this plus at the bottom left corner, and if you wish to add any audio file that's already on your smartphone, tap on Files section over here. Now to find it, select Audio at the top, tap on one of those apps, or click on those lines at the top left corner to tap on one of those sources and find your file. Either way, click on it to attach it. If you want to create it and add it though, use this icon at the top right corner. Operate all of those options, and when you're done, tap on Attach. Now to add a video file, use this icon of a camera and the photo, also at the bottom right corner. Tap on video here, switch your camera and take it, if you want to create it right away, and attach it. And if you want to add already existing one, you can tap on it here. Or if you can't find it, scroll all the way down to hit folders at the bottom left corner. Find your video, tap on it now and hit done at the bottom right corner twice. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!